Welcome back, children. Now I am going to discuss the topic uses of metals and non-metals with you. I hope what we studied before this, the displacement reactions and the reactivity series, you have understood it well. In case you have any queries, you can ask me, and you have to go through those reactions, of course, again and again, and please write and learn. You cannot just learn by reading it, so you have to write and then learn. Now, uses of metals and non-metals. We have many metals here and many non-metals. We are going to read the uses of metals. Of course, many of these uses we are aware of. For example, iron. We know iron is a big industry of iron is working in India. That is a profitable one. Now, in the iron is used for making bridges, railways, buildings, many tools, and of course, alloys like stainless steel and all. Copper is used for wire, heating utensils, alloys. You understand, when we are using two or more metals or non-metals to make another new metal, another new material, that is known as alloy. Aluminium, used for making wires, foil, aluminium foil for wrapping the food, and different vehicles parts. Zinc, for galvanizing different iron objects to make it look more beautiful and more durable. It is also used in chemicals and as fertilizers. Lead is used as electrodes in batteries. It is also used to shield radiations. Nickel is used in alloys, many of the alloys, even in stainless steel, nickel is being used. Magnesium, alloys. Tin, same, alloys. Silver, gold, platinum, they all are being used in jewelry. You remember the ductility and malleability of these metals, that is, they are being used in making jewelries. Now, non-metals. Carbon is used in the form of sugar, cold drinks, H2CO3, lubricant, carbon dioxide here also, alloys, batteries, and we know it is part of carbon dioxide, so it is also being used by the plants. Very important. Oxygen, most important for us, our life, we are using it for breathing. Then combustion, that is burning. It is also used as rocket fuel and welding. Then we have hydrogen. Hydrogen we are using in acids, all acids, you know, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, everywhere hydrogen is being used, and it is also used as rocket fuels, petrols, soaps, vegetable oils. Hydrogenation is a process which is used for this. Now, nitrogen, explosives, crackers, fertilizers, refrigerant to preserve biological specimens. It is also used as refrigerant, and otherwise also in your food packets nitrogen is being used to keep them fresh. Then phosphorus. Phosphorus is being used in making steels, matchsticks, red phosphorus, white phosphorus. White phosphorus, which is very dangerous and starts burning at room temperature only. So these are used here. Insecticides, shampoos, toothpaste, and in making fertilizers. Then we have silicon, which is used in making concrete bricks, glasses, alloys, solar cells. Sulfur is being used in acids, fungicides, gunpowder, bleaching agent, as bleaching agent. Chlorine is used as bleaching, used for bleaching, dyes, drugs, insecticides, etc. Iodine, very important, used as antiseptic when you are injured or you have wounds, then you use this, any medicine which has iodine, of course in little amount or whatever, but it is antiseptic, means it protects you from any kind of septic effect. After these uses of metals and non-metals, we are going to study about metalloids. What are metalloids? These are the materials we studied in the beginning also, that we divide them elements into metals and non-metals, and then we studied about metals in detail and then non-metals in detail. And metalloids are those materials which possess characters of both metals and non-metals, means they have some characteristics of metals, some characteristics of non-metal. They are neither purely metal, they are not purely non-metal. So examples are silicon, boron, antimony, germanium. These are all These are all metalloids. There is one question in the last page of your chapter. Where is magnesium being used in plant? Means which part of the plant has magnesium? It is leaves. Leaves which contain the chlorophyll. This chlorophyll contains magnesium. So magnesium is present in the chlorophyll. I hope you remember chlorophyll. What is chlorophyll? For photosynthesis, this is must. It is green colored pigment present in the leaves for preparation of food by the leaves. So magnesium is present in chlorophyll. Then we have iron. Another question is there, where is iron present in our body? It is present in our blood. Our hemoglobin contains iron. Do you know our body also has many minerals, like bones have calcium, phosphorus. Then you must be knowing about the fact that we take so many multivitamins, and these all vitamins contain iron, zinc, magnesium, potassium, and many other things, phosphorus, calcium. We take calcium for bones. These are the things. So these are part of our body also. Now, in the first video audio track, we studied about reactivity series. Here I have a trick to learn these. This is known as mnemonic. Mnemonic means we give it a name, we give it a tagline, and then we learn it. For example, I have this: potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, lead, hydrogen, copper, mercury, silver, gold. Please Stop. Na stands for sodium. So we can write, please stop calling me a zebra. I like her. Call me smart guy. Did you like it? Please stop calling me a zebra. I like her. Call me smart guy. You can make your own tagline also. Another I was going through, there is, of course, you know what, if you go through these mnemonics, you may miss one or two metals. So you can make your own trick to learn it. Otherwise, here you will see so many are missing: potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminum, zinc, iron, copper, silver, gold. Here platinum is not here also, not here also. Then it doesn't have lead, and it doesn't have hydrogen, it doesn't have mercury. So a small simple line is there: please send charlies, monkeys and zebras in cages securely guarded. So I think this is the easier one for you to learn. And if we see our reactivity series, what we studied yesterday, here one platinum also we studied, so you can check. Otherwise, see what happens actually. You have to learn the symbols also. Iron goes with Fe, no, it is symbol is Fe, but here I am using I. Anyway, you will learn this. Slowly you will uh, learn to write these also. This is very important, because this helps, only reactivity series helps you in writing the reactions, which metal will be displaced and which will not be displaced from its solution, salt solution. So go through these mnemonics, learn them. I hope you must have learnt it right now only. Please stop calling me a zebra. I like her. Call me a smart guy. God knows who is smart and who is not. Now, coming to the assignment. Back exercise also, some questions are there. Here I am going to discuss some questions of the assignment first. I think most of the questions we have done. One question is of metalloids that I have discussed with you, and now there is one question about sodium and phosphorus. Both of them are very reactive. Then why sodium is kept in kerosene oil and why phosphorus is kept in water? Yes, sodium reacts with oxygen, phosphorus also reacts with oxygen. Sodium also reacts with water vigorously and produces hydrogen gas, which is so hot that it starts burning, catches fire. And phosphorus in water, it doesn't react because here in water it has more number of hydrogen, so it doesn't react. Therefore, it can be kept in water. Another question is, silver gets more tarnished, blackened near refineries. How? See, we have studied about metals. The metals react with air to form oxides. We have studied, no? Metals react with acids, oxygen to form oxides, right? We studied about iron oxide, copper hydroxide and copper carbonate, and rust you studied about, then you studied about many more, aluminium oxide also, that is also a layer of oxide is formed over the aluminium. Here silver does not form silver oxide. Actually, silver reacts with H2S, hydrogen sulfide, which is present in the air, and it is present in more amount near the air of refineries. You got it? The smoke which is coming out of refinery contains more hydrogen sulfide, H2S. This is known as hydrogen sulfide. So it will react to form Ag2S. This is a layer which is being formed over silver object. Of course, hydrogen will be liberated again here, little bit, and you will find that silver gets blackened because of the formation of the silver sulfide. So it gets more tarnished near refineries like areas because more hydrogen sulfide is present in the air. Then there is question in the assignment that is based on the reactivity series, that is arrange the metals. These metals are given there, arrange them in decreasing order, in the order of decreasing activity. I think this is the question over there in your assignment. Now we'll write it like this. This is here: potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, copper, silver and gold. So this is how it goes on decreasing, like here. It is most reactive and this goes on decreasing, and here it is less reactive and this is least reactive. One more question is there: do all metals react with acids? No. Generally all metals react with acid, but exceptions are there like gold, platinum. They do not react with acids. Gold and platinum. Gold does react in the aqua regia solution, but that is not single acids we are talking about. So don't get confused over here. Then we have, what is the principle behind this displacement reactions? And it is more reactive metal displaces less reactive metal from its salt solution. Correct? This is the idea behind that. Now next is, can copper reacts with acid? That is your last question. I think in the assignment is, you can go through it. No, copper does not react with all acids or dilute acids. Why? Because it cannot displace hydrogen from the acid. Suppose I have H2SO4 or HCl. Now because copper is below in the series, I hope you remember that this is present. If I have that page, I can show you. If you see, copper comes below hydrogen, so it cannot displace it from its solution. Therefore, it does not react, and it is less reactive, cannot displace. So copper does not react with dilute acids or all acids. This is all about this chapter, children. I hope you have understood this chapter. Very interesting chapter it was. If you have not, please go through. You must be having the material and listen. You have to go through my video, the other videos I send you, or the PPT I send you. You should note down, you should learn. That is why we are giving so much time and putting hard work for you people to learn it. So I hope you enjoy as well as learn it. Now we'll be discussing the back exercise also in the homework task. So enjoy your day, complete your work. Thank you. Keep yourself healthy, happy,